Struggling to send money internationally shouldn't be a hassle. Let's make it easy with TapTap Send. First things first, open the TapTap Send application on your smartphone. Once the app is open, you'll likely land on the home screen. If this is your first time, you'll need to create an account or log in. If you have an account, use your login details. Look for the Send Money button. It's usually obvious. Tap on it. Now, select the country where you want to send the money. You'll see a list, a map, or both to help you. You'll now enter the recipient's details. This includes their full name, phone number, and the amount you wish to send. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. Next, choose your payment method. You can typically use a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Enter the payment details for the chosen method. Review the transaction summary carefully. It shows the amount being sent, potential fees if there are fees, the exchange rate, and the total amount to be debited. Confirm the transaction. Tap the button to proceed. The app will process the transfer. Congratulations, you've successfully sent money. You'll get a confirmation message with the transaction ID and an estimated arrival time. You can also track the transaction within the app, and that's that. Send money whenever needed with TapTap Send. Don't forget to like and subscribe.